Making apple and pumpkin pies. Press the space bar. Apple pie. Ingredients: Granny Smith apples, apple peelers, peeling apples, apple slicers, slicing apples, apple slices, mixing bowl and spoon, measuring utensils, sugar and spices, mix the apple pieces with sugar and spices, spiced apples, making pie crust. Ingredients: mix the butter and flour, dough blender, blend the dough. It will be crumbly. Add a little water. Mixing the dough with your hands. Make a dough ball. Pie dough. Rolling pin. Hold the rolling pin. Roll out the pie dough. Pie crust. Pie pan. Put the pie crust over the pie pan. Put the apples on the pie crust. Add butter. Put on the second pie crust on top. Cut off the edges. Pinch the top and bottom crust together. It's called fluting. Or weave strips to make a lattice top. Or add a Dutch apple crumb top. Ready to bake. Put the pie into the oven. Watching the pie bake. Take the pie out of the oven when it's done baking. Apple pie. Cooling the pie. Apple pie. Lattice Top Apple Pie, Dutch apple pie, pumpkin pie, making pumpkin pie, pie pumpkin. Cut the pumpkin in half. Take out the seeds. Clean out the goop. Cut the pumpkin into pieces. Cooking pot filled with water. Pumpkin pieces. Stove. Cook the pumpkin pieces in a pot full of water. Colander. When the pumpkin pieces are soft, drain the water out with the colander. Potato masher. Mashing pumpkin. Mix in the sugar, brown sugar, spices, and cream. Pour the pumpkin batter onto the pie dough. The pie is ready to bake. Baking the pies. Take the pie out of the oven when it's done baking. Pumpkin pie. Whipped cream. Pumpkin pie with whipped cream.